The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has been officially revealed, along with its complete specifications and release date. So, before we get into the reveal, we've got more confirmation that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be dust-resistant. According to Yang on Twitter, it wasn't part of the original plan for the Fold 5 and was actually meant for its successor, but the Fold 5 was already structurally dust-proof, and while water resistance is great, dust resistance is arguably more important as your phone will come into a lot more contact with dust. The entire list of specifications for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has been unveiled. Thanks to Yojeshbra on Twitter, we now know it has a 7.6-inch 120Hz main display, a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus outer panel, 12GB of RAM, up to a terabyte of storage, and will, of course, be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Now, the tweet indicates that we'll be receiving a 50+12+12 camera arrangement, which is significantly different from the predecessor, as well as a 4,400 mAh battery with 25W quick charging. Now we already had Tmro has officially confirmed that the launch will take place in South Korea in July, but Yojeshbra believes it will take place on the 26th or 27th of July. Snoopy Tech has also tweeted that the unpacked launch will include the Z Fold 5 and the Flip 5, but also the Watch 6, the Tab S9 series, and the Buds 3. We have a tweet from Ice Universe, who says he has the exact information about the crease in the Galaxy Z Fold 5's display, and he says that while the new water drop hinge has improved the crease, it's only 15 less than the Fold 4 and that the crease still looks similar, which is a little disappointing after all the rumors of a creaseless display. Ice Universe also informs us that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 design has sparked some dissatisfaction among Samsung staff, and he claims that when you see the Fold 5, you will understand and wonder if this isn't the Fold 4. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.